Good morning, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube class, all of you. Dear students, what you have seen in our nature, these are all made up of by whom? Yes, these are all made up of by the unknowing power is there behind that. Yes, what you have seen in our nature, these are all made by unknowing power. Yes, that is none other than it may be God or it may be Almighty of our gods. Yes, dear students, this picture, yes, this picture shows the birds fly in the sky. The birds fly in the sky and sunset scenery and beautiful nature. Yes, these are all made up of by the God. Yes, these are all made up of by the God. Yes, what we have seen, what you have seen in our nature, every creature or everything is made up of by the God. Yes, dear students, today I would like to begin new poem for you. Yes, yes, that is all things bright and beautiful. Yes, all things bright and beautiful. Yes, let's come to the poem. Yes, all things bright and beautiful, all things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Yes, dear students, carefully listen. I will repeat once again. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Yes, dear students, what we have seen in our nature, these are all made up of by God. Yes, all things are bright and beautiful. What you have seen, what you have see in the nature, the everything it is a bright and beautiful, everything it is bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. Yes, what you have see, live creatures and small also, they are all always great and small, all creatures great and small and also beautiful, all things wise and wonderful, each things and each animal and each things is beautiful and wonderful and also it has wise. Yes, the Lord God made them all. Yes, all things bright and beautiful, all clear, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful. Yes, these are all the Lord God made them all. Yes, these are all made by the whom? God. Yes, we have to consume and we have to see and enjoy. Yes, and next come to the second stanza. Each little flower that opens, yes, each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, he made their glowing colors, he made their tiny wings. Yeah, yes, dear students, each little flower that opens, every little flower that opens, what we have seen, that seen a little flower opens, that looking very beautiful, that looking very elegant. Yes, each little bird that sings. Yes, every bird, every little bird that sings when fly in the sky. Yes, in different manner, in a different singing. Yes, like crow and so parrot and some other birds, it has their own singing way. Yes, he made their glowing colors, he made their glowing colors, he made their tiny wings. Yes, what you have seen, a little flower that opens and a little bird that sings and glowing colors and their tiny wings, they are looking very beautiful to the human and very beautiful to see. to the child. Yes, a rich man in his castle, the rich man in his castle, the poor man at his gate. Yes, he made them high or lowly and harder their estate. Yes, dear students, here the God made these are all in order way. Yes, the rich man in his castle, the rich man living in castle means it's a position of living home. Yes, the poor man at his gate. Yes, the poor man at his gate. This is a differentiate between aristocratic family and poor family. Yes, the rich man in his castle, the poor man at his gate. He made them. Yes, what you have seen this difference. It is also made them. He here nothing but a God. Yes, he made them high or lowly, high or lowly, and order their estate. Yes, order their estate. Yes, the purple-headed mountains, the purple-headed mountains, the river running by, the sunset and the morning, the brightens of the sky. Yes, what you have read or what you have see in our imagination, the purple headed mountains looking very beautiful, and also the river running by. Yes, when the river going running, that looking, it's very elegant. The sunset and the morning. Yes, the sunset and also morning looking very beautiful to the human. That brightness of the sky, these are all gives brightness of the sky and glorifies of the sky and given richfulness of the sky. What are things? Purple headed mountains, the river running, and the sunset and the morning, the brightness of the sky. These are all make rich the sky in glorification. Yes, I will repeat once again. Listen carefully. Yes, all things bright and beautiful. All things bright and beautiful. All creatures great and small. Yes, all things wise and wonderful. The Lord God made them all. Yes, what you have seen, these are all made by the God to enjoy the human. Yes, all things are bright and beautiful. What you have seen, the things are bright and beautiful. Yes, all creature great and small. If matter it is bigger, the small, it is not a matter. The all creatures on the earth are good and also beautiful. Yes, all things wise and wonderful also. The Lord God made them all. Yes, the Lord God made them all. Yes, yes. And come to the second stanza. Each little flower that opens, each little flower that opens, looking very beautiful to see. Yes, how the flower going to opens and blossom. Yes, and each little bird that sings. Yes, every little bird that sings heard very melodious. Yes, very melodious. Yes, the when the birds making some sounds, when the birds making some sounds, that sounds listen very beautiful and very melodiously. Yes, he made their glowing colors, he made their tiny wings, which birds. Yes, the rich man in his castle, the poor man at his gate, he made them high or lowly and order their estate. Yes, in the third stanza, the poet going to shows the richness, how the God made differentiate between rich and poor. Yes, the rich man in his castle, he was dwelling in the rich house, and the poor man at his gate. Yes, he made them here instead of a God. Yes, God. Yes, I are lowly and harder their estate. Yes, he make harder. Yes, he make harder the purple headed mountains, the river running by, the sunset and the morning, that brightness of the sky, which are things going to brightness of the sky and brightness of the glorification of the sky. Which are those? Yes, the purple headed mountains, the river running by. Yes, how the mountains, it has colors that looking beautiful, and when the river going to flowing, that is also looking very beautiful. The sunset and the morning also is very elegant to see. Yes, the brightness of the sky. Yes, these are all things make sky brightness of the sky and glorification of the sky. Yes, dear students, I will stop here. In the next class, we will continue part of the poem. Okay, and let's come to the grammar point of the in previous class. Okay, in previous class we have already learned past perfect tense. In today class we will learn past perfect continuous tense. Yes, dear students, let's understand. Yes, ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಘಟನೆಗಳು ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ನಡೆದಿದ್ದರೆ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಲಿಸನ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ಆ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಘಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಎಸ್, ಆ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಘಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಆ ಘಟನೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡು ನಡೆದು ಮುಗಿದಿರಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ and continues and also at end. Okay, yes, let's check the example for this. ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಬರುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಕಳ್ಳ ಕದಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಎಸ್, in past perfect continuous tense, what are the verbs and helping verbs used? Yes, let's check. Yes, I, you, we, they, plurals, and it names plurals. Yes, in past perfect continuous tense we use had, we use add and extra been. A main verb is base form of the verb ing because it is continuous tense. Yes, that's the reason we put ing form like eat, ate, or eating. Yes, let's come to the some rules. Yes, and examples. Yes, Sanju, dear students, Sanju had been working before she left for home. Yes, Sanju had been working. Here Sanju is subject and helping verb had, and we had extra been, and ing form is working. Yes, worked, because it is past perfect continuous tense. That's why we using ing form of the base form of the verb. Yes, Sanju had been working before she left for home. Yes, before she left for home. Yes, Sanju had not been working. In negative statements, Sanju had not been working before she left for home. And third one, had Sanju been working before she left for home? Yes, in fourth, hadn't Sanju been working before she left for home? These are four sentence in different manner. Yes, positive statement, negative statements, questioning answer statements, like this. Yes, and come to the some examples. Yes, I had been working for 5 years. Yes, when we have used past perfect continuous, this sentence make understand. Yes, I had been working for 5 years. I had been working for 5 years. Yes, it works begin in the past. Yes, and also continuing. Yes, I had not been working for 5 years. It is negative statements in the sentence. Had I been working for 5 years? Hadn't been working for 5 years? Yes, and come to the some examples make understand you better. ಎಸ್, ಅವಳು 2008ರಿಂದ 2010ರವರೆಗೂ ಆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು. ಎಸ್, ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2008 to 2010. ಎಸ್, ಅವಳು 2008ರಿಂದ 2010ರವರೆಗೂ ಆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು. ಎಸ್, ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್, ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2008 to 2010. Not now. Yes, it is already completed. Yes, past perfect continuous. Yes, ಅವರು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೂ ಮುಂಚೆ 3 ತಿಂಗಳು ಕಾಲ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರು. ಎಸ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 months. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 months ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಅವನು 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಗಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಎಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ನೌ. He had been working for a newspaper for 5 years. He had been working for a newspaper for 5 years. Yes, dear students, I hope you have understand. Yes, come to the another examples. Yes, ಅವನು 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, he had not been eating vegetable for the 3 years. Yes, because here negative statements we you not be. Yes, he had not been eating vegetable for 3 years. Yeah, yes, ಅವಳು ಓದು ಮುಗಿಸಿದ ನಂತರ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸುತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, she had not been trying. She had not been trying to get a job when she finished her studies. Yes, ಅವರು ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರಾ? Yes, had they been training you properly? Yes. Yes, dear student, I will repeat once again. Yes, in past perfect continuous, we have to understanding the time. Otherwise we can't find this sentence is belongs to the past perfect continuous tense, because the past perfect continuous means it begins in the past and also ended, not continuous. Yes, ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಘಟನೆಗಳು ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ನಡೆದಿದ್ದರೆ. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಆ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಘಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್, ಆ ಘಟನೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಈ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡು ನಡೆದು ಮುಗಿದಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಎಂಡ್, ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್. ಎಸ್, ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಕಳ್ಳ ಕದಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್, ಎಸ್, ಐ, ಯು, ವಿ, ದೇ, it takes plural subject, and he, she, it takes singular subject in the sentence. Yes, and extra we had been. Yes, and main verb is base form verb and with ing form. Yes, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, and some rules and also examples. Let's see. Okay, Sanju had been working. Sanju had been working. Sanju, it is a subject and also noun pronouns. Yes, in category of the verb, helping verb and main verb. Yes, helping verb had been, main verb work, ing form we had working because of continuous. Yes, Sanju had been working before she left for home. And second one, Sanju had not been working before she left for home. Yes, it is negative statements. Had Sanju been working before she left for home? Hadn't Sanju been working before she left for home? Yes, and come to the some another examples. I had been working for 5 years. In this sentence, I had been working for 5 years, not now. Yes, yes, I had not been working for 5 years. Had I been working for 5 years? Yes. Hadn't been working for 5 years? These 4 statements in different way. Yes. Let's check the some another example for this. Yes. ಅವಳು 2008ರಿಂದ 2010ರವರೆಗೆ ಆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು. ಎಸ್, ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2008 to 2010. ಎಸ್, she had been studying in that university from 2008 to 2010, not now. Yes, ಅವರು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೂ ಮುಂಚೆ 3 ತಿಂಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರು. Yes, they had been studying for exam for 3 months. Yes, they had been studying for exam for 3 months before the exam. Yes, ಅವನು 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಗಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. He had been working for a newspaper for 5 years. Yes, I hope you have understand. Yes, yes, come to the some another example. Yes, ಅವನು 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Observe, dear student, in this sentence, it is a negative form. Yes, he had not been eating vegetables. He had not been eating vegetables for 3 years. Yes, ಅವಳು ಓದು ಮುಗಿಸಿದ ನಂತರ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸುತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, she had not been trying to get job when she finished her studies. ಅವರು ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರಾ? Yes, had they been training you properly? Yes, ಅವರು ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರಾ? Yes, had they been training you properly? Yes, dear students, it is over. Past perfect continuous tense. Yes, in next class we will learn future tense. Okay, I hope you have understanding the poem and also past perfect continuous tense, because I give more example for make you understanding. Yes, dear students, we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.